Look at that view.
We are here. Here is honeybee and porcupine. Cute. Sedgefield 1. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's mosaic.
This is such a beautiful spot around here. Really nice. Yeah, Sedgefield. Ah, this is where they launch the boats. Ski beach. Whoa. So is this the river mouth in here? Must be.
So that's fresh water then?
I have no idea. It must be fresh water, but I suppose the sea can push back in here.
Look at the fish.
Yeah. They like the ceramics. Eh? Oh, they, what do you call it?
Mosaic.
Mosaic.
Oh, there is what it says, Pili Pili Beach Bar.
Yeah.
Garden Route National Park. Look at there's a tortoise also in mosaic.
Yes. This is a mosaic tortoise. They like the mosaics here in Sedgefield, young. Yo. Look at this. I just get this calm feeling here. Why does one get this calm feeling? This is beautiful. There's a little spa with a bench where you can sit and check out the whole scene here. This is absolutely fantastic. I love it. Personal opinion, I would live in Sedgefield. So this is where the river mouth comes in. Check the rock formations. Oh. Looks like coral. What? A little cave, tiny. All right, time for me to head back. We still got to go and find the place where we're staying, the cottages or the bungalows where we're staying. So let me head to the car and find our place of accommodation. This is really a beautiful beach. Boy, this is a climb. Get fit doing this. Here I am. There we go.
Paragliding 2 kilometers.
Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah, stunning.
Well, I hope it's this side.
Love this.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. Right?
Unbelievable.
Got to turn right here.
Sedgefield Huts.
Here we go.
This is us.
Wow. Reminds me of what's that? That
Yeningberg.
Yeningberg. Sedgefield Huts.
And ours is Honeybee.
Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at that view.
We are here. Here is Honeybee and Porcupine.
Awesome. Look at that view.
That is stunning.
I must be honest, I'm blown away at where we are. Look at this place. Love it. Mosquito net. This is our place. 2 single beds. But check this view. I lift the mosquito net. Check out the view. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then you come down here. You have to walk in nature. If nature calls, you walk through nature to go and do whatever. Shower, basin, toilet. That's it. And then kitchen. Gas stove, microwave, fridge, sink. I love this. What a few episodes we've had to reach Sedgefield. I must say it was brilliant. It was brilliant. Unfortunately, when we tried to take the 7 Passes Road from George, that one section was closed and we had to go around. I was really disappointed. I thought we weren't going to be able to get onto it because of the major rains they had here the past about 2 or 3 months ago. And luckily, what a bonus when we got to Wilderness, that beautiful beach, and then the map of Africa was fantastic. And then also when we got that view of that whole Wilderness beach, that was, well, what can I say, phenomenal. Then we took a drive through to Karatra, through the 7 Passes Road. We got back onto the road. I was really happy, chuffed with that. And when we arrived here in Sedgefield, explored Sedgefield a bit. What a beautiful town. I would really live in Sedgefield. It is so nice, so nice. And that little VW didn't want to drive, but I tried. And here we are at our little bungalow. As I showed you, it's so cute. And the view behind me is awesome. I want to thank you guys for joining us on these last few episodes, and it was really great having you with us. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.